make some curved text designs in Adobe Illustrator. Start with a blank artboard. Click on your type tool and type your text. Now adjust the size of your text. And you can change the character style if you would like. Now right-click and select Create Outlines. Go to Object, go to Envelope Distort, and click Make with Warp. And here you can adjust the curve percentage of your text. So the higher you go, the more the curve. Once you get the curve the way you like it, click OK, and then go to Object and Expand. Make sure Object and Fill are both check marked and click OK. And now you have a curved text design. There is another way to do this, and let me show you that way. Go to your Shape tool and select an ellipse. Make a circle. Then go to your Type tool and select Type on a Path tool and click on the edge of the circle. And then you can type your text around the circle. This is good if you're creating like a circle logo or circle design type, because you can type all the way around the circle. As opposed to using the envelope distort method, it can only create a semicircle. This can create an entire circle. So once you type your text, you can adjust the size of your text. You can adjust where your text is on the circle by grabbing this little line and just moving it around. Once you get your text where you want it to be and the size that you want it to be, right-click and select Create Outlines, and that will create your outlines for your letters. And that's just 2 ways that you can create curved text using Adobe Illustrator.